അദ്ദേഹത്തിന്റെ മക്കൾ, നാട്ടുകാർ, കൂട്ടുകാർ, ബന്ധുക്കളൊക്കെ അതിൽ ഏറ്റവും ഇവിടെ വൈകാരികമായി ഇവിടെ കണ്ടത് അച്ഛനും അമ്മയുമാണ്. ശ്രീയേഷിന്റെ അച്ഛനും അമ്മയും. ശ്രീയേഷിന്റെ അച്ഛൻ എനിക്കൊപ്പം ചേരുന്നു. അച്ഛൻ ഒരു ഘട്ടത്തിൽ വല്ലാതെ വിതുമ്പി പോകുന്നത് കണ്ടു.
Actually, words cannot express the pride and joy that I feel now. Achieving a bronze medal for India in the retirement match is truly a reward for his passion and dedication for hockey. And I'm actually speechless. We all are proud of him. He had made us happy in so many unforgettable moments. We all are proud of him.
Were there any tension? Like moments of tension or like nervousness?
Yeah.
This is the second time.
Yeah, actually, achieving a medal in the retirement match is truly a reward for him. It is a dream come moment for us, for our family.
But this is the second time he is also participating.
Yeah.
Like that is the routine.
Yeah.
Were there any moments of tension or like any nervousness?
Actually, he is participating in the Olympics for the 4th time, so he is that much experienced how to overcome the stress and the pressure during the competition time. He know that very well. Actually, I am not that too much experienced. I still have tension.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I was really happy. I was expecting from him, as the Indian team got the second bronze medal also. It is very good news. As in the finals, I was heartbroken really because they lose, but it was okay. But we win in Great Britain. That is the biggest news. I think they are also playing very well. They are second or third position, but also we win in Great Britain. That's also a good news now.
For the last match, like for the semi-final match, you were crying throughout. You were so emotional.
Yeah.
Why? What was the reason?
Reason was really the day I has exam also. Tomorrow was exam, match, both together became so hard. But also I just make my exams in a side and I watched the match, and I was really sad when they lose.
So today you fought to play the last match, like
Yeah.
the tournament match. Can you both on that?
Really, he's also sad. I'm also sad. Everyone is sad. And also, he's coming. He is with us forever now.
ഇനി അമ്മനെ പിടിക്കാം. അകത്ത് അമ്മയുണ്ട്.
പരിപാടി